Alright, hi guys! Nice to record again. How are you? Na-miss ko ang YouTube Alright, so I just decided to record a new video kasi I noticed that there are quite a few students who are subscribing to my channel despite them coming from a different school. So that's a very cool idea. So just to give you a background though, I created this channel as a bucket of all the live online lectures that I did with my students in Cavite State University in Indang, Cavite. That was back in 2020 to 2022. Almost 3 years ago na. Sobrang tagal na ng mga video niyan. Kung makikita nyo, ipapay-itsura ko doon. Pero mas pumogi ako ngayon. Hindi, joke lang. Pero if you feel na nakakatulong sa inyo itong videos na to, go lang. Manood lang kayo. Feel free to share them with your classmates if needed. Pero syempre, I do not claim to be the best lecturer in this field. Huwag kayong masyadong mag-expect ha. Kumbaga, ginawa ko lang kung ano yung best ko. Possible na may mga konting mali, pero mostly, syempre lahat naman ng mga shinare ko dun is based on textbook and based on experiences. But hopefully, meron naman, mas marami yung tama kasi dun sa mga mali. Unfortunately, well, sana walang mali. Okay, so going back, unfortunately, I might not have the time to upload new videos. So sa mga bagong subscribers, while I am very grateful that you subscribe to my channel, baka hindi na ako makapag-upload ng mga bagong video. So sorry, pagkitiisan nyo yung mga lumang video ko dyan. But again, thank you very much. I am so touched, lalo na dun sa mga comments na nababasa ko na mas naiintindihan daw nila yung topic kapag napapanood nila yung video. Na-surprise ako, hindi ko in-expect na may mga ganong mga comments. So thank you very much. So far, wala pa akong basher. So sana hindi ako magkaroon ever. So let's see, baka soon mag-upload ako kasi mukhang maraming interest. Pero hindi kasi ako marunong mag-edit. So I don't know. Baka pag gumawa ako ng video, hindi maging interesting for you. So I don't know. Ewan, bahala na. Basta keep on watching, share them if you must, and I wish you the best in your college and senior high school life. If you need advice on anything, message lang kayo dito or comment. Nakikita ko naman sila lahat. This has been Ace Rigafor. Thank you very much.